something the way it vexes me very badly. It vexes me. But I know what talk am. They go talk am. I'm on talk that thing. Yes. Me I be know say dry season. People that dey feel heat. Overheat. Now na rainy season. Heat still dey. All get it now, Bobby na outside. Bobby for outside, Bobby for outside. I dey ask myself, say no be na for dry season way that Bobby dey get be outside because he dey. Me kind of thing is so I not like me for the see get away Bobby dey for outside too. Because my odogu dey so it dey overwake up quick when they see that kind of thing. Temptation dey plenty. Plenty. Oh God. Woman. The worst na boy I get him. That Bobby dey me dey just naked that self the work as so no. Now it's again.